If you're considering Avaza for your accounting needs, there are a few important things you should know before making the decision. In this video, we'll walk through 12 key points that will help you understand whether Avaza is the right choice for your business, especially when compared to other accounting software options out there. Stick around till the end to get a complete picture. First, Avaza offers a comprehensive suite of features, including project management, time tracking, invoicing, and expenses, which makes it a strong contender for businesses that need more than just accounting software. However, unlike dedicated accounting platforms like QuickBooks or Xero, its accounting features are relatively basic and may not meet the needs of more complex businesses. Next thing to consider is the user interface. Avaza is known for being simple and user-friendly, which is great for small business owners who don't want to spend time learning a complicated system. But if you're used to something like FreshBooks or QuickBooks, you may find Avaza lacking in some customization options. The third thing you should know is about integration. Avaza integrates with tools like Google Calendar, Zapier, and others, which helps automate and streamline your workflow. However, its integration options are more limited compared to more established competitors like Xero, which has a much wider range of third-party app integrations. Next thing to note is pricing. Avaza has a tiered pricing model, and it's relatively affordable, especially for smaller businesses. However, while it might seem like a bargain at first, some users report that the higher tier plans, which unlock more advanced features, can quickly add up in cost, making it less competitive when compared to Xero or QuickBooks on a feature-to-price ratio. The fifth thing to consider is its project management capabilities. If your business needs project management alongside accounting, Avaza is a solid choice. But if accounting is your sole focus, you might find that platforms like QuickBooks or FreshBooks, which have more refined accounting features, might serve you better. Next up is customer support. Avaza offers 24/7 support through chat, email, and even phone, but there are mixed reviews about the responsiveness and quality of that support. Some users feel that other services, like QuickBooks, offer more reliable and faster support when issues arise. The seventh thing you should know is Avaza's mobile app. While it's functional and helps with managing projects, expenses, and invoices on the go, it doesn't have the same level of polish or feature depth as QuickBooks or Xero's mobile apps. If you're managing finances primarily from your phone, you may want to look elsewhere. The eighth thing is its reporting capabilities. Avaza includes basic reports on income, expenses, and time tracking, but when compared to competitors like Xero, which provides more robust and customizable reporting tools, Avaza might feel limited in this regard. Next thing is the invoicing system. Avaza allows you to create and send invoices, and it supports recurring billing, which is a useful feature for subscription-based businesses. But if you need more advanced features, like automatic payment reminders or credit card processing, competitors like FreshBooks and QuickBooks might offer more advanced invoicing features. The 10th thing to keep in mind is scalability. While Avaza works well for smaller businesses and startups, it might not be the best choice for larger businesses with more complex needs, especially as your team grows. Larger businesses often prefer platforms like Xero for better scalability and support. The 11th thing is the learning curve. While Avaza is generally user-friendly, some users report a slight learning curve when it comes to navigating through all its features. If you're after a truly intuitive experience, you might find platforms like FreshBooks to be easier to pick up. Finally, Avaza offers a free trial, which is great for testing it out before committing, but it's worth noting that its limited features on the free plan may not give you a full picture of what the software can do. Compare this to QuickBooks and Xero, which also offer free trials, but might give you more time to explore their full feature sets. To sum it up, Avaza is a solid accounting and project management tool, especially for small businesses and startups. However, if you're looking for more advanced accounting features or better scalability, there are other options out there. If you want to check out an alternative that might better suit your needs, be sure to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.